Hi, everybody, and welcome to the virtual book launch of the book Retirement Planning 10 Steps to Plan a Happy Retirement by none other than Miss Meera Kulkarni herself. So, I would like to welcome you all. I can already see a lot of comments. And hi, everybody. This is basically our first. Hi, welcome, Meera. How are you? I can't hear you. Please turn on your mic.
Hello,
Yes. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thank
and
you.
and and how does it feel to be here, this is our first online launch that is being done by Adhyan Books, virtual launch? So how are you feeling right now?
It's a very, very new experience, excited, and I'm loving to connect with the audience that is gathered
Wow.
here.
A lot of people are already here and they're saying hello to you, so great. We are going to start the session, but before that, please tell us something about yourself.
So, first of all, namaskar and welcome to this session. Hi, everybody. I'm Meera Kulkarni, and at the age of 16, I had already seen 75 cities in India. And this is because my dad was working as a officer with the Indian Air Force, and I was very passionate about playing basketball. And I used to play for Delhi in the nationals, and that's how I traveled so much. And later on in my life, I did my graduation from Ferguson College, an MBA from Symbiosis Institute of Business Management. I'm from the seventh batch. And for last 27 years, I'm working with the Institute of Management Studies, which is affiliated to the University of Pune. And along the way, I did my doctoral studies on retirement planning, focusing on corporate India. And I'm passionate about this area. And as I moved along, I have two very interesting hobbies of gardening and flower arrangement. And I work with youth in my profession. And out of my passion, I'm connecting with pre retirees and post retirees and offering them retirement coaching. That we should be.
Wow, that is great. So now, as you know, you're a published author. Your book is going to go live. So how do you feel? How is that feeling of being a published author? Now you can tell people that, oh, I have a book. So how does it feel?
Really, it feels really good because a lot of work has gone into making this book happen.
Agreed. Okay. So as I have heard, there are a lot of writers go through something called writer's block. For a time, they think what to write. They get stuck. So, has it ever happened with you while writing, as it is your first book? So, did it ever happen, or was it a very smooth ride?
Well, Sunidhi, even I had a lot of blocks to begin with because, this book I think was inside of me. It was there, but it really took a time to come out.
Right.
And it was sometime in May during this lockdown that I thought of writing this book and I shared it with my friends. And they were very encouraging. And then I would like to mention there were three people who were so willingly ready to sponsor this book. So I have from Pune, the Oyster and Pearl Hospital that runs a 40-bedded, senior citizen facility for assisted living, dementia care, etc. So Dr. Amita Fadnis supported me for this. Then there was this NGO called Anubhuti that works in the women empowerment sector and youth leadership. And they believe in a just, democratic and equitable society. So they came out to help me. And then I was, supported by a very dear friend, Mr. Hemant Joshi, who was a retiree and an ex-leader in telecom, media, and technology from Deloitte, India. So with this support, I knew, I can go. The book can really see the morning of the day.
That is so great. So, were there any challenges that you faced while writing the book? Were there any challenges?
Yes. There were many challenges because as a researcher, I work with numbers and very stark reporting.
Right.
And here I wanted to engage with stories, real life anecdotes, and create people, to come and read the book so that, they connect with the stories as if
True.
they know about it. So
Right.
this was something new for me. This was really challenging.
Right. So, are there any insights about the book that you would like to share? Something that is close to your heart that you would like to share from the book? We would love to know that.
So, friends, if you look at retirement, this is a very interesting benchmark and happening at the end of your work life. And really, nobody cares. And I'm very sorry to say, corporate India is quite in a neglect. There are just very few organizations that really stretch to look after their retirees post their productive period. So this was something, that was, behind my probing, meeting retirees and finding out what exactly are the challenges of this period. And when in the last 2 decades, when I look back, I see that financial planning, arthik vyavastha, is all that retirement is planned about. So you have a financial advisor, you have money. So my dear friends, for a holistic, harmonious and happy retirement, you have to really prepare. तो इसके लिए planning आवश्यक है. So what falls under this planning? So there are many aspects into planning for your retirement. We have to plan for our place of stay. And surprisingly, post 60, 65, we change 2 more houses. Many of us are not aware of this. Then we need to plan our 24 hours. We need to find a new purpose to live. We need to have some uttejana. We need to have some urja. We need to have some kind of excitement in our life. So this needs to be planned. And for this, many of us need to really find out what keeps us going. So we need to have a purpose in our life. So you're retiring from one thing onto something else. So what is that something else? That is the search. And that is where many of us would find this book very interesting. Because at the end of every section, I have dealt with an activity on self-reflection. So this is where the reader can really use it for understanding their own situation and circumstance.
True. So, as you're a published, a lot of people are saying congratulations to you. I hope you can see that already. So, as you're a published author now, so how was your experience? I mean, now people know you. So, what has been your experience of since the very start? Let's go back in time from writing the book, now that is published. What has been your experience overall?
Sunidhi, it's just now, maybe a few minutes back, that I'm actually a live published author. So, of course, I would like to thank my publishers for this brilliant work that they've done with me. And secondly, with almost like a missionary zeal, I want to work for the transition of retirees in their pre-retirement period and in their post-retirement period. And that is where I'm committed to. So I see this canvas. This is my first step. And I see a
Right.
huge canvas in front of me.
Right. So, would you like to, as I am sure a lot of people are here, and some people think that I want to write a book. Sometime in their life, they think that I want to write a book. So, I would like you to tell something to them, give them tips that as this is your first book, you started from somewhere. So, I would like you to motivate them that I did this, anybody can do this. So, don't stop and go write a book. So, what will your tips be?
So, first of all, you always keep your reader in mind and you write in a very simple style.
Right.
So, you're not trying to complicate and make the book complex. And secondly, my book, the tone of my book is very suggestive in nature. because I'm, reaching people who are, who've seen so much of life. And here again, I would like to say that retiree itself, the definition of retiree itself has changed. Today, I'm having meeting people, in the late 30s and 40s who are thinking of retirement. So this applies for the millennial generation. So generation X, Y, Z, along with baby boomers. So when I keep this as my niche to write, so I should be able to connect with my reader. So I have to make it simple language wise. And I was well supported by the publication to tell me that please speak in Hindi and English, even when we are talking about launch and post-launch also. Because my goal is to connect with Indians and people in the subcontinent. So with that in mind, भाषा के दरमियान अगर लोग पास नहीं आ रहे हैं, किताब तो इंग्लिश में है, पर मैं आपसे हिंदी में बहुत अच्छे से कनेक्ट कर सकती हूँ. So as a reader, what is it that you want as an outcome of the book? And where is that breakthrough happening in your life so that you really gear up to start writing the book? That becomes very crucial. And then let me tell you, makhan jaise chalta hai. Because, sections will be done, your chapters will be, it's almost like a magic happening with you. Things just fall in place. But that first breakthrough is very important.
And now you have motivated me to write a book. And I'm sure a lot of people here would like to write a book. So what I'm going to do is I am going to post the link to the book in the comment section right now. So I'll just do that. Yes. So here is the link. I am sure everybody who's in the comment section can see the link. And as we decided, there's a bonus for the audience. So anybody who while this session is on, so Miss Meera will be talking to you one-on-one. We will be providing with you, you with an email ID through which you can contact her. And what better than that, right? You buy a book, you love it, and then you want to know what went through the writer's mind, why they wrote this. So I think that's going to be great. So anybody who orders this book right now, please order it, and don't forget to post your name, number, and your email ID. Of course, we'll be tracking it, but we would like to thank you personally as well. So coming back to the topic, so Ms. Meera, how much time did it take you to write the book? How many months, or what was the planning?
So I started sometime in May of 2020, and my book was ready in December. But I wanted it to be out only this year, and today is the date. So it's been a journey from May to maybe end of November.
Right. Wow, that was super quick. So we would like to know more about you now that we know everything about the book. Tell us more about yourself. Go ahead.
So, when I look at retiring and retirement, I see that many people do not look at it as an opportunity. This is one opportunity in your life when you can really live selfishly for yourself. You can love yourself,
Right.
care for yourself, respect for yourself. And age is just a number, friends. So I've
Agree.
met so many people, 105, 92, 86, and living such a full life. So it's about the spirit inside you. So when the spirit
Right.
inside you is alive, I'm sure you can do anything that you wish to do. This is not a period of, feeling that you have been spent out. In fact, it is a period of a restart in your life. So relook at retirement, बहुत सारे opportunities हैं आपको अपने आप को खोजने के लिए और अपने आप को लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए. तो मेरा ये सभी के साथ प्रस्तावना है कि रिटायरमेंट में आप अपने आप को अपने चॉइस के अनुसार, अपने तौर और तरीके के अनुसार, विदाउट प्रेशर ऑफ टाइम एंड स्पेस, you can reinvent yourself to be more happy, happier, and live a more harmonious life.
Agreed. Great. So, when did it hit you that I want to write a book? What happened? I'm sure something struck you that yes, today is the day I think I should start writing a book. So, what happened? What was that incident, that one thing that made you think that I should write a book?
Suniti, this, like I told you, this book was already inside me. And I had a choice to publish my research work.
Agreed.
And somehow, that did not engage me or excite me because I wanted to reach people and I didn't want to reach through, citing reviews of literature and, stark research work. So
Right.
then I was wondering how to put it across. And I shouldn't say this, but COVID was worked for an opportunity. I had time to reflect. And
Right.
then the style, content of the book flew in. And like I said, it's a magic. It's and let me tell you, Sunidhi, in this journey, I've been blessed by strangers, friends of friends, my close, near and dear ones, all pitched in. You just ask and people just come out. It's
So
so
somebody,
profound.
I'm sorry, somebody just bought your book. I hope you can see the comment. The name is Sujata Khanna. So thank you, Sujata. Thank you so much for buying the book, and it's great. Okay,
Thank you, Suji.
so who has been your inspiration? Is there a writer or somebody who inspired you to write a book?
Usually people have one inspiration.
Yes,
I think I seek inspiration from everybody. So everybody who I interact with inspired me in some way. It was something to learn. And I think the cumulative of this is this book.
right, right. So how are you feeling? Honestly, you are here. A lot of people are now buying your book. I can see the comments. The comment section is flooded. So how are you feeling? How is that feeling that oh, my book is live
I'm
now?
feeling good. I'm feeling good, rocking. I'm feeling so supported. And I'm feeling really very happy. Very happy.
Great. So I would also like the audience to ask some questions that you would like to ask her. So please drop in your questions, and as she is here, she'll be very happy to answer. So also, as let's move forward. So as it is said that a person when writes the book, they grow. So how was that growth? That when you wrote the book, you thought, oh, you feel liberating. So how did you feel?
This is a very nice question that you posed. Because writing a book changes you.
Right. Agree.
And, my own personal learning in this journey was I've met such interesting people in my life, in their retirement period, pre, post, whatever. And to put their stories together, to put their experiences together, to put their life stories, and was itself a great learning. And
Right.
to get the flavor of that together. And secondly, I feel very blessed of this beautiful thing called interdependence. So to write this book, maybe the words have come through me, also helped to, take form by some of my near and dear ones. But there are so many people that have really connected with me to make this happen. And on this platform, I want to thank each and every person here. I would like to share with you on my YouTube channel, there are 55 videos of absolute strangers that I will be posting in this year. Some of them were strangers and some of them are very close friends. But voluntarily, they gave their experiences to share. तो जब हम बढ़ते हैं जिंदगी में तो हम अकेले से नहीं बढ़ते, हम मिलजुल के बढ़ते हैं. तो ये मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा लर्निंग रहा है.
थैंक यू सो मच। आपने इतने इंसाइट्स हमारे साथ शेयर करी हैं, कमेंट सेक्शन एकदम फ्लडेड है, लोग इतने इम्प्रेस्ड हैं। एंड व्हाट आई बिलीव इन इज कि आपकी जो बुक आई है, इट इज गोइंग टू बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर ऑल द एज ग्रुप्स, not only for people who are near retirement, because I think now the dynamics have changed. Now जितना जल्दी आप प्लान करना शुरू करेंगे in your 20s or 30s, it is going to be beneficial for you in future. So thank you for writing this book, and I'm sure people have already bought it and they're going to read it and they're going to be super impressed with it. So काफी जो भी viewers हैं उनके questions आए हैं. So there's somebody who's asking, did you experience writer's block at some point? I'm sure you answered this and he came late. So would you like to give answer to that again?
Like any other writer, yes, I had a block in beginning with the book. How do you begin? तो कैसे शुरुआत किया जाए किताब लिखने में? किताब तो अपने अंदर ही है, कि सारी स्टोरीज तो अपने अंदर है, तो इसे प्रस्तुत कैसे किया जाए? तो इसके लिए थोड़ा ब्लॉक रहा, पर मैंने जैसे आपके साथ शेयर किया कि मुझे मेरे फ्रेंड्स और ये जो 3 खूबसूरत स्पॉन्सर्स आए, उन्होंने जो मेरे में ना जैसे पेट्रोल डाल दिया और मेरी गाड़ी चल गई। So that is the journey, you know. So these kind of positive motivations that you get in your life, it helps you to move on.
बिल्कुल। And somebody is asking, ये तो मेरा भी क्वेश्चन है, how you managed time for writing? लिखने का समय आपने कैसे निकाला? क्योंकि यूजुअली लोग लिखना शुरू कर देते हैं पर फिर और किसी काम में ऑक्यूपाइड हो जाते हैं, तो आपने काम करते साथ वो टाइम कैसे निकाला कि आप एक बुक लिख पाए उसमें?
तो इसके लिए ना मैंने पहले तो एक ब्रॉड ओवरव्यू लिया कि मैं इस किताब में क्या क्या चीजें डालना चाहती हूँ, यू नो, उसको मीनिंगफुल बनाने के लिए। तो वो मैंने जब लिखना शुरू किया, फिर एक एक चैप्टर उसके ऊपर से चलता गया और बहुत रिविजन्स होते रहते हैं। और ये भी मेरा मानना है कि ज्यादा परफेक्शन की तरफ भी मत जाइए, नहीं तो आपका किताब पब्लिश ही नहीं हो पाएगा। सो देयर वुड बी, सो आई ऑलवेज स्टेट दिस, that for the strength of the book, I am grateful to all and everybody who have helped me in, making this manifestation happen. But if there is any shortfall, it is at my end. I take responsibility. तो एक पॉइंट आता है जब आपको डिफाइन करना होता है कि ओके फाइन, माय बुक इज रेडी, बिल्कुल, रिविजन्स आर ओवर एंड नाउ आई विल help with publishing the book. So in my own home, like I mentioned, that there were some near and dear ones. My own daughter, Tejaswini Ballal, because of the lockdown, was staying with me. And I found her also very encouraging, in going ahead and, sharing, my agonies, how to put it, etc.
आपने बहुत अच्छी बात कही कि अगर आप परफेक्शन की तरफ जाएंगे तो बुक कभी छपेगी ही नहीं। तो आई एम श्योर यहाँ जितने भी लोग लिख, यहाँ काफी लोग कमेंट कर रहे हैं कि वी विश टू राइट अ बुक, तो अगर वो बुक लिखना चाहते हैं तो उन्हें पता रहेगा आपसे कि आप ज्यादा परफेक्शन की तरफ मत जाएं, अपने दिल की बात लिखें और आपकी किताब जरूर चलेगी।
जरूर जरूर।
So also somebody is asking, other than financial planning, what else one can think about when going to retire? Financial planning के अलावा और किस चीज पे ध्यान दिया जाए जब कोई रिटायर होने वाला हो?
तो आपके अगले रिटायरमेंट के बाद आप अपना टाइम कैसे व्यतीत करना चाहेंगे? आपके पास 24 घंटे का गिफ्ट रहने वाला है, बिल्कुल, तो और मनमानी से आप उस रिसोर्स को यूज कर सकते हैं। So, would you like a second career? Would you like to give back to society? Would you like to do some voluntary work? Would you like to just work with a small honorarium? So, to keep yourself engaged in something meaningful, something that holds purpose for you, is extremely important. तो ये तो हुआ पहला मुद्दा। दूसरा मुद्दा, बहुत पहले ना, देखिए आप लोग सभी यहाँ पर 22 से 24 साल अपनी जिंदगी के करियर के लिए आपने दिए, प्रेपरेशन टू वर्क took 22 to 24 years of your life. और फिर आपने काम किया कितने साल, 30 साल, 35 साल, और अब तो हम 15 और 20 साल की बात कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
और इसमें हमने क्या छोड़ दिया पीछे? I used to love to jam, I used to love to sing, I used to love to, read and play something, and just for the beauty of my own self I was doing it, and I just gave it up. तो ये एक टाइम है जब आप अपने हॉबीज को लेके आगे जा सकते हैं. आप बहुत अच्छी तरीके से थिंग्स दैट गिव यू हैप्पीनेस एंड प्लेजर, यू कैन डू ऑल दैट.
बिल्कुल.
रिलेशनशिप्स अच्छा बना सकते हैं, अपने एटीट्यूड्स के ऊपर काम कर सकते हैं. तो बहुत कुछ है, इन इफ वी लुक एट आवर ओन लाइफ एंड एट एनी स्टेज इन लाइफ दैट वी आर इन, वी आर रिफाइनिंग आवरसेल्व्स, we are developing ourselves, we are moving ahead to explore the potential, the complete potential that we are born with.
Bilkul.
So this is the opportunity, Sunidhi.
Also somebody is asking, how will this book help retirees? तो मेरा सवाल यह है कि नॉट ओनली रिटायरीज, जो मेरी उम्र के लोग हैं 30s में 40s में, ये बुक उनको कैसे हेल्प करेगा?
तो अगर जिंदगी अपनी एक जर्नी है और इसमें बहुत सारी अवस्थाएं हैं, स्टेजेस हैं, तो अगर आप वर्क लाइफ को छोड़ रहे हैं एट एनी स्टेज इन योर लाइफ, एट एनी एज इन योर लाइफ, फिर आप किस तरह मूव करें, तो आप क्या चुने अपने लिए, तो ताकि आप अपने आगे की जिंदगी कैसे व्यतीत करें. So if I'm allowing time to just hang on me and I'm getting bored and I do not have a purpose, then my life, friends, will be very, very unhappy. So it is said that a perpetual holiday is a living in hell. So life अपनी holiday, ठीक है, holidays लीजिएगा, पर कुछ purpose भी होना चाहिए. तो ये book आपको उन चीजों की तरफ एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, डिफाइन करने के लिए, सोचने के लिए, एटलीस्ट आप सोचोगे, मजबूर करेगा.
बिल्कुल.
यू आर एक्सपोज्ड टू दैट नाउ.
So somebody is also asking कि an important challenge is dealing with the anxiety of losing relevance. तो क्या ये बुक लिखते टाइम भी आपको कभी ऐसा फील हुआ कि आपको एंजाइटी फील हुई, या सब ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ? बिकॉज काफी राइटर्स के साथ ऐसा होता है. सो हाउ वाज इट फॉर यू व्हाइल राइटिंग द बुक?
What you're asking me is after I've written the book?
Yes.
Or relevance?
Yes, after the book.
So this is, going to happen with me for the second time. So when I defended my PhD and my work was over, and I had nothing really to do the next day.
Right.
Time just hung. But this experience is going to be different because I now know that I have so much more to do and so much to conquer and, move ahead and connect and help and be available to people to make a good transition into this period of their lives. So I think this experience is going to be a little different. I have something to look forward.
So now that your book is live, people are going to buy it, and I am sure they're going to love it. I am going to read it too. So what are your plans now? If people love it, and will you go for another book very soon? Because I'm sure people are going to love it.
Sunidhi, I will not, मैं सलमान खान वाली बात बताती हूँ. एक बार कमिटमेंट कर ली ना, तो फिर मैं किसी की भी नहीं सुनती. तो ऐसे लाइव वेबिनार में मैं अभी आपके सामने कमिटमेंट नहीं दे रही हूँ, बट मे बी अगर वो मौका आएगा, ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, और अगर आएगा तो शायद फिर एक किताब आएगी.
बिल्कुल, and we are waiting for that. And Miss Meera, it was a lovely session, an insightful session. I am sure लोगों को बहुत पसंद आई होगी. Somebody is saying you made my Sunday morning a happy one. Oh,
Thank you so much. And friends, please make a happy read of this book and welcome to a wonderful day today. And thank you, Sunidhi.
so any last words before you go? I would like you to say something to the viewers who are there are hundreds of people who are watching us right now. So anything you would like to say to them regarding the book, irrespective about.
I think that there is no, there is no set, what should I say, एक कुछ ढांचा नहीं है हर इंसान के लिए. हम सब यूनिक हैं. हाँ, तो अपनी यूनिकता को कायम से महसूस करिए और रखिएगा. और ये किताब आपको लिव एंड लेट लिव, आपको चॉइसेस दे रहा है. ये प्रिस्क्राइब नहीं कर रहा है इस तरह से आप जिंदगी जियो. हाँ, तो अपने जिंदगी को खुद एहसास करो और अपने में जो हुनर है उसको आप खुद खोजिएगा और ब्यूटिफुली अपने लाइफ को एंजॉय करिएगा. सो माय लास्ट statement to all of you audience, in this wonderful audience that is really being so very engaging, is that please enjoy your life full size. You deserve it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart and from the entire team Adhyan Books for giving us this opportunity that we got to publish a book that is so beautiful. And it was lovely meeting you. Honestly, I'm sure everybody right here is very happy to see you. Thank you so much, and we are hoping to work with you in future very soon again. Thank you so much, Meera. Thank you.